remedies now. Okay, let's come to remedies. So there can be immediate remedy. What is the immediate remedy is very important. That one first remedy you should think of the indigestion is because of disruption of your gut. So first thing is fasting is the immediate remedy that you can take. First, stop your food. Okay, do not stop water, right? Take your food only when you feel that now I feel completely hungry, I don't have any bloating, I don't have any burping, so then only you go for the food. When otherwise fasting can be done partial fasting or intermittent fasting, or it can be full fasting. Okay, it can be with the water, it can be without water also, but your fasting should have a very positive mindset inside you. Fasting also reduces the cancerous cells in your body. Every day there are abnormal cells which have an abnormal DNA inside your body, they are generated, and these abnormal DNA actually causes the multiplication of those cells, right? And this multiplication of those cells lead to tumor, lead to cancer. Okay, maybe for some period of time it can be benign, but afterwards it can become carcinogenic, it can become malignant, right? So best is fasting. And fasting, one of the scientists from Japan got the Nobel Prize out of it. The fasting, the better to have the fasting on, particularly on Ekadashi or on Chaturthi. These are not because of any religion, but these are because of particularly the planetary position which is there, which is best for the fasting. It is considered. You can just note it down according to your the calendar, English calendar also. Okay, so fasting is the immediate remedy. And then second, you can have a very simple boiled water with fennel. Okay, body shape, what we say it as a, so fennel seeds, you can put some fennel seeds in water, boil it, drink that water. You can also have a jeera water. Okay, boil some jeera and have that water like a coffee. You can have that without any sugar, right? You can also add a combination of jeera or fennel or with ginger, right? Ginger you can put and then boil that, and its extract you can have boiled ginger, fennel or jeera water. You can have a combinations of it. You to this combination you can add some lemon. Lemon is wonderful fruit given by nature to us, where the fruit is acidic with the citric acid, but its metabolites are basic and alkaline. So lemon is a wonderful fruit where you get the advantage of acidity as well as basicity. Okay, so you can have a lemon. Okay, lemon with milk is not permitted. Okay, it is only permitted in case of piles, right? So you can have an immediate remedy, like if you have a baking soda or sodium carbonate, if you have a lot of acid, then you can neutralize it. Okay, but again there is a chance of the reflux acidity. So in this case, if you drink lot of soda, that is also a problem. If you drink some amount of soda, that is one of the best thing you can do for as a immediate remedy. Immediate remedy, they are only for the transient period of time. You have to improve your digestion. If you want that the remedy should last and also your natural ability to digest increase, you have to take the long term measures for this. Another remedy is ajwain. Okay, so ajwain, these umbelliferae family fruits like ajwain, jeera or fennel, these have the property of stimulant. These are the carminative which release the gases from the gut, as well as these are digestive. So ajwain is one of the wonder. If you actually boil it with water and drink it, believe me, it can replace the tea or coffee. Okay, so if you have a combination of ginger and ajwain, oh, it's very good, right? So you can have a combination of ginger, ajwain, and then boil it and then take it.